Hi, today I'll show you how to add text and music in CapCut in just 2 minutes. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
First, open CapCut and tap New Project. Choose the video you want to edit and tap Add. Next, tap Text at the bottom, then Add Text. Type your message. You can change the font, color, and size. To make it animated, select a style from the animation menu. Play around to see what looks best. Now let's add music. Tap Audio, then Sounds. Pick a track from the library. Trim it if needed and make sure it matches your video timing. Finally, tap the Export button at the top right. Choose your resolution, then save. That's it. You've added text and music in CapCut. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and like. I'll share more CapCut tips soon.